Hi, this is Andy, and in this video, I'll go over the top 3 Otter.ai alternatives. Otter.ai is a popular service for automatically recording online meetings, but it has its limitations. It doesn't record video, only supports a few languages, and there are restrictions in the free version. Also, Otter.ai has been on the market for a long time, and some of its features are already outdated. The quality of recording and transcription leaves much to be desired. Recently, a lot of alternatives have appeared that in many ways surpass Otter.ai. Today, I'm going to tell you about the top 3 alternatives to Otter.ai. Let's get started. The first tool on the list is Fireflies.ai. This is your AI assistant that will record video meetings and turn them into short notes. Fireflies works with platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, and connects using a third-party bot. Its first advantage is that Fireflies.ai can record video, which Otter can't do. To record your meeting, let's say in Google Meet, you need to copy the link to your meeting, click the capture button. Here, you need to enter the name of your meeting, paste the meeting link, and select the language in which the recording will be made. By the way, Fireflies.ai supports more than 100 languages. Once everything is set up, click the Start Capturing button, and you'll need to wait a bit for the bot to join and start recording your meeting. The bot has joined, so let's start it. And after that, Fireflies.ai will begin recording and analyzing everything happening in the meeting in the background. I've opened one of my recent recordings, and what do we see here? On the right side, Fireflies generates a full transcript. It also recognizes speakers, and we can change their names. Since I use Fireflies on the free version, only the audio recording is available here, which we can listen to at the bottom. If we upgrade our plan, we'll be able to record video of our meetings as well. On the left side, Fireflies generates a general summary. Here we can see the overview, notes, action items, and we can also change the note template and choose one of the suggested options. Additionally, we can ask Fred. This is your AI assistant who can help answer your questions about this meeting. And we can ask it, for example, what were the key takeaways regarding human connection? And Fred responds quite quickly, relying on the information from the meeting. The key feature of Fireflies.ai is its huge number of integrations. If we take a look at how many there are, you could just keep scrolling endlessly. You can connect Fireflies to any other service via Zapier or through the API, and integrate information after meetings into the tools you use. You can also use analytics to get even more information about your meetings. But to do this, you'll need to upgrade your plan. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. Paid plans start at $18 per month. Here you get unlimited transcription, unlimited AI summaries, and 8,000 minutes of storage. You can go even further and choose the business plan, which removes all limits and also lets you record video. In addition, you can use analytics, connect unlimited integrations, and you'll get access to the API. If you compare this to Otter.ai's monthly plan, which costs $17, here you get much more functionality, higher transcription and recording accuracy, a large number of integrations, and overall a more up-to-date and relevant tool for recording your meetings. The next tool on the list is Bluedot. This is an invisible assistant with high accuracy and privacy for your meetings. Bluedot stands out from other tools because it records meetings without using a bot. Bluedot works as a separate extension for your browser. To record a meeting with it, you just need to click on the extension icon. Here, you can choose a note template. You can also select the language. Bluedot supports over 100 different languages, and you can also choose whether to record the meeting with or without a bot. After that, you just need to click the Start Capture button, and that's it. The meeting recording has already started. You don't have to wait for a bot, and you don't have to explain to your colleagues who that extra participant in the meeting is. You can use it in Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or just record your screen or your in-person meetings. And to get the recording result, you just need to leave the meeting, and Bluedot will open a link to your recording in a new tab where you can immediately review it. And here's what you get after using Bluedot. You can watch the entire video again. On the right side, Bluedot generates a full transcript for you. It's worth noting that Bluedot's key feature is its transcription accuracy. Bluedot's algorithms recognize speech with up to 98% accuracy. Bluedot also generates an AI summary for you where you can find an overview, topics, change the notes template, and for example, select key takeaways, and Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for you. You can also create your own custom notes template, write your own prompt, or list the questions that need to be answered. You can also ask questions to the AI chat, which responds almost instantly. If you have any confidential information, you can edit your recording. To do this, click here on Edit Recording and delete the words or sentences you don't need. After you save the recording, that part will already be deleted. You can set up various integrations. You can connect Bluedot to your calendar, Google Drive, Notion, or Slack. You can also connect CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, and set up automation to a Zapier or webhook. And the best part is that the price for Bluedot is almost the same as Otter.ai. You can record up to 5 meetings completely free to try out the features. Then you can upgrade to the basic plan for $18 a month, which gives you unlimited audio recording. That's already more than what Otter.ai offers, since it has limitations. And if you want to record video, connect various integrations, or create your own custom templates, then the Pro plan for $25 a month is the right choice for you. The next tool on the list is Fathom. Fathom's standout feature is its generous free plan. Individual users get unlimited transcriptions and recordings. It's the perfect option for freelancers and journalists. for anyone who needs simple conversation recordings. To record a meeting with Fathom, you can use the free extension. To do this, during a Google Meet session, click on this icon, and it will start the process of connecting the bot. Fathom also records the meeting using a bot that joins and records your session. Let's add it to our meeting. Unlike Otter, Fathom also records the video of the meeting. Let's see what we get in the end. Let's leave the meeting and review the demo call. Here you can see that Fathom records the entire video, also generates a full transcript for you. Fathom also generates a general summary for you. One of Fathom's drawbacks is that it works with only a small number of languages, but for the languages it does support, the transcript and AI summary quality is quite high. Fathom also has its own AI assistant, but to use it, you need to upgrade your subscription plan. Subscription plans start at $20 per month. The premium plan gives you access to the Ask Fathom feature. You can also create custom note templates. You can use Asana action item integrations. And if you want to use Fathom for a team, the team plan is available at $18 per month per member. Fathom also has an impressive list of various integrations for analytics, CRM systems, and automation. If we compare all three solutions, in my opinion, Bluedot clearly leads in terms of the number of features. It combines various advantages of its competitors, Fireflies and Fathom, and brings its own innovations. Fireflies stands out with its analytics and various integrations. Fathom is also appealing because of its free plan, and all of these top three tools are excellent alternatives to Otter.ai. Share your thoughts in the comments about which tool would suit your needs best. See you in the next videos.